Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a parakeet. This is one of the simplest birds to fold. I'll be using a 6-inch sheet of kami. We're going to start with the colored side down. Next we'll valley fold in half along the vertical. Bring the right edge over to the left edge. Just line it up corner to corner and then crease. And then unfold. Next we'll bring this top right edge in to lie along that center crease we just made. Just make sure it lines up all the way to the top and then crease it down. Then bring the top left edge into that same center crease. Next we'll bring this right edge into that center crease and just hold this flap in place just so this paper doesn't slide around as you're folding it. Then do the same thing on the left side. Next we're going to mountain fold the entire model in half along this center vertical line. So we'll just fold it in half like this. We already have the crease in place. So it should look like that. Next we're going to fold this point outward this way. We're going to make a valley fold that starts right where this edge meets the edge on the right. And then this right edge is going to be perpendicular to this edge. So I'll show you what I mean. Just like that. You can see where it starts. Now we'll unfold that, and we'll turn that into an inside reverse fold. So to do that, we will open these two flaps apart from each other, and then swing that point in through the middle. And then we'll begin to close everything back up. Everything should happen on existing creases, but a couple of them reverse on that step. Next we're going to take this edge on the left and lie along this edge on the bottom. And then unfold that. Now we'll turn that into another inside reverse fold. So we'll separate these layers from each other and then swing that point down. And then close it all up on the existing creases. Next we have one more inside reverse fold up top here. This one's done to taste, there's no reference points for it, but we'll just fold this point down into about here. I'm gonna fold it a little more than that actually. So about like that. And then once you have it here, you can kind of move it around until you have it where you like it. It just changes the size of the beak. We'll do it right here. And then we're all done. Now, if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.